What's going on, you guys? Sam coming back here, and today I'm in Athens rail fanning. I don't know if you can see down there those signals, but they were just all red a little bit ago, all three of them. But now there's a green over red, so that means in this direction is an approaching train. But those two lights, you see, it look like they're headlights coming down the railroad track. Those are signal boxes, or no, not signal boxes. Those are relay boxes. So those are not train lights. But I was just standing here beside the railroad tracks and just waiting for a train, and I felt the tracks go zoom, zoom, like the noise that a train makes when it comes over the tracks. And so I'm just waiting for a train. So I'll turn the camera on when the signals start flashing down the line, or if I hear a horn. So let's hope for a good horn. Oh, guess what, boys? We got a nice horn. Sounds like a first gen K5. I'll stand back for this. Beautiful. I don't know if y'all can see that down there, but that's a red or yellow signal, which I think means proceed with caution. I don't know the CSX signals that well, but earlier was a green over red, which means clear. But I don't know what a red over orange means, to be honest. So Hope for another nice horn. The one you just saw was a nice one to me, first gen K5LA. So let's hope for another. See you when the next train comes by, if there's one. Here she is, weird horn. Another train. Almost like a back-to-back. Hey. I hate those things. EOTs. They're annoying. And I don't know if you can see that, but there's another freaking train. So it's almost like a back-to-back. Like a race. It's like, I'm gonna catch you. I know I usually don't talk about train videos, but this is kind of a coincidence. I don't know if you can see that, but there's another train on. I'm trying to flag people down. Double footage. Am I hearing another signal? Yeah, that's definitely a train. Let me set the camera down real quick. I gotta put my dad's phone in my pocket. I don't know if he's gonna take off or what he's gonna do. He's got a red signal for right now, so I'll be back in 2 seconds, literally. I'm gonna have a horn show for this one. That's definitely a first gen K5. in front of him, why don't you? I saw a car pull out in front of him. Please stop. What the heck? You stupid? Obviously there's stupid people out here in the world. Yeah, thank you if you're gonna stop. Yeah. Oh, we got an SD. We got an SD40. Hey man, nice to see ya. Hey man, blow your horn. Oh! Holy crap. He didn't shave an haircut for me. I could cry right now. Holy crap. Let's hope he comes back. He stopped, so we have horn action. There he is. Three, two, one, ding. Oh dang, I was wrong. So I tried to guess the timing of these bells. They should be going off about right now. Yep, there they are.